Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel today for a kind of chilled homeware house update vlog. I have had my hair bleached and cut, which makes me very happy because I wasn't feeling like myself at all. I was feeling a bit rough around the edges, so I felt like the haircut and the eyebrow thing really made me feel better. I just fake tanned. I had laser hair removal yesterday as well. I'm actually working on a vlog for like the whole thing, like a before and after the entire treatment, because it's quite a long process because you've got to leave 6 weeks between each treatment. So I thought I would do like a roundup vlog of the whole thing. But today I have homeware updates. When I say homeware updates, I mean like house updates of things that have like been done or completed in the house that I can show you. We're still a long way off, like there's a long way to go. You'll see when I show you around. And the house isn't tidy or anything, like I'm just showing you as it is. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't see my last video, which was shopping in London with Angina and Dodo, there will be a link to that in the description box below. Today is Saturday and we're just having a weekend at home because we've got a busy few weekends ahead. So we thought we'd just chill this weekend. So I thought this would be a good chance to show you now that things have actually been done in the house as well. So let's have a little look. Yeah, let's call it my dressing room. So if you saw this a few weeks ago, you will have seen that it was full of boxes because basically whilst we were having other parts of the house done, we had to kind of use this to store things. But now it's empty again, which I'm so happy about. So I can get back to filming reels. I actually have a really fun reels TikTok idea that I want to shoot after I've done this. Little tripod there. So we still have my shelf here in this corner, which I don't think I'm going to change because I really love that shelf. I do have another one exactly the same and I don't know where to put it because it can't fit on the other side because of the fireplaces. Like the chimneys all connect there, so the shelf won't fit there. But I don't know. At the moment, I'm putting my two rails there, just for ease. Like this isn't how I finally want to have it. Like it's not my final vision, but I don't know what my final vision is yet. I kind of want to see what I need in this space, but obviously now having a place to hang up all my clothes, and also you'll see in the wardrobes in a second, is good. Ignore the pile at the bottom, that will be sorted out soon, but just see it like this. Like that's nice. Quite a few new pieces as well. I don't know if you guys want me to do a haul of where I've picked up some recent pieces. Just let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm so happy that I have space in this room again. Obviously the mirror is here in this corner as well. So yeah, I'm very, very happy about that. I just don't know what I want to do with the space in the end. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely send them my way. Send me DMs on Instagram with pictures of office or dressing room spaces. I do have a Pinterest board and I do have like some idea of what I want to do, but I definitely want a desk and like a chair at some point, but I just don't know where. And obviously I want to be able to like show my clothes as well. It's tricky. Now let's go into the bedroom. Look, now we have wardrobes. I'm going to try and show like a before shot of this room just so you can see what it looked like. So we're getting a new bed frame because this bed frame is too, like we're going to keep a king size bed, but I think the frame is too chunky for the room. So we're going to get a new bed frame at some point. And it needs to come like further in the middle of the two wardrobes as well, because at the moment it's too far over on that side. But yes, I will show you my wardrobe because I don't want to reveal all Scott's clothing to you guys. But I'm so happy about this because this was kind of like a dead space before, this kind of like alcove next to the fireplace. So now, I have a box in the way, that's why I won't fully open. So now, we have storage for stuff, which I'm so happy about. This is all my clothing that is like different colours is here, and then all my black and white clothing is in my room, the dressing room. At the moment, I've just kind of like shoved things up there for now for storage sake. But yeah, I'm so happy that these are finished. I absolutely love them. They make the room seem brighter as well, just because they're like two big white wardrobes. We actually need to buy a little step ladder to get to the shelves at the top, or like some kind of little ladder step thing, because it's too tall for even us, even though we're both quite tall. Still deciding, might put a mirror in between there rather than a TV, because we don't really watch TV in the bedroom. And we need a new light fitting as well. Maybe a chest of drawers to go here. Here is some storage, because basically we have a lot of things that we need to go into the loft. But we didn't have a ladder for the loft before, and we wanted a built-in ladder, so that is what's happening right now. So they took the old loft hatch away. Obviously this isn't finished yet. They've literally just put all this in the other day, and then they're going to come back next week to make good of the whole thing. But now we can put this little wand thing, I don't know what you call this, like a staff, and then you pull it. Oh god. You pull it down, and there's a little ladder that then folds down. But I'm not going to do it because it's effort, and I don't need to. So we'll put that little wand back. So the lounge isn't anywhere near complete yet, but I think it's like the most complete out of all of the rooms so far. So there's just a couple things that need doing, and all the ornaments are just for a test. I haven't actually placed them finally yet. I was just seeing what things would look like. Basically, I will show you the before. And here's now. So basically in the alcoves either side of the fireplace we had cabinets and shelves built. So really wanted to create this kind of like minimal theme on the shelves. This is all the ornaments that we have at the moment, but I do want to put more like at the top and on that side as well. We got this Samsung frame TV because it's super thin and it actually lies like flat against the wall. It's supposed to, you can upload your own art as well, but it comes with some art. So basically when it's off or on standby, you can make it look like a painting. So it'll just cycle through different ones that it has stored. You can actually get like clip-on frames for it in different materials, but at the moment for this version, they only have a white one, and I definitely don't want a white frame in here because everything else is so white. And also we're just storing these by the fireplace for now, but I do like the look of maybe one of these pots, maybe not that one because it's too big, maybe just the pampas grass one by the fireplace. We also want to change the tiles on the fireplace as well. And for the time being, I've just put all the ornaments that we have like on the shelf. This one is so cute because it's actually a watering can. Like you hold the top and then you put it in water, you hold the top, and then you like can water your plants that way. It's from an Instagram or TikTok called leafy.lane, so if you want to check them out, I'll leave their link in the description box below. These are the bits from Soho Home. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love with the setup in the lounge at the moment. Like I'm just obsessed, and I can't wait to get a sofa. So we still don't have a sofa, mind my dressing gown there. We still have the ottoman. No At Home still haven't fulfilled the order that they said would be completed on the 25th of August. They just gave us this a few weeks before and still no update. I keep asking for it, but they just keep saying the first week of September, even though that is now over. So that is all the updates for today. Just thought I would give you a quick rundown of what's been going on and what's happening. Things are getting better. Yeah, things are shaping up and getting a lot better, which is exciting. It's taking a while, but it's going to take a lot longer as well. And yeah, we're just both very, very happy. What are you doing?
Getting rid of these.
Are you hungry?
No.